Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Visa card knife. As you see, I have a Visa card here. If you can get a RFID blocking card, then that would be better. They are slightly thicker and they're easier to work with. But I will show you a normal Visa card can also do it. There is one simple trick that you have to do that will enable you to do this. As you can see, I have a hairdryer. You have to heat the edge 20-30 times. I switch off the sound because it's very noisy. You just keep on doing that. At some point you will see a small change in the plastics, and that's the point where you have to stop. If you don't stop, your card will melt and it will not work. This is a 150 grit paper, that's what I start with normally. We used to do this with our bus cards when I was young, and we would just make them sharp on stones, use a lighter to heat them. It also works, but it's better if you have a heat gun or a hairdryer. And now we're using a 400 grit paper. Eventually you'll get a really nice edge. I have this is a 150, no, it's a 400 grit paper with a Visa card, and I'll show you that it can make really nice cuts. I'm really sorry that the camera is out of focus. Okay, so here it is still not really sharp. It rips the paper apart partly and partly it cuts it. So I gave it, actually this is about 10 minutes more. And let's see if I can cut this. That is a cut, not a rip. Thanks for watching.